Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell something first, whether it's a used phone, handmade crafts, or even dropshipping items? Facebook Marketplace is one of the easiest platforms to reach thousands of buyers for free. In this video, I will show you exactly how to list your product step by step on Facebook Marketplace. Let's jump in. First of all, log into your Facebook account. On desktop, click Marketplace from menu. On mobile, you will find it at the bottom of the screen. Looks like a little store. Click Create New Listing from left sidebar. Then choose the type like item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, or rent. Item for sale. Item per sale if you are selling a single item. Vehicle of sale for cars, bikes, etc. Home for seller, rent for property listings. Most of you will use item for sale, so let's select that. Now enter the details like photos. Upload 3 to 5 high quality photos. Use clean backgrounds and natural lighting and different angles. Click add photos. Select photos like this. Then go to title, be specific like iPhone 12. Twelve 128 GB, like new, not just phone. Price, set a competitive price. You can always market a negotiable. Then category, choose the category. From here, choose the right one so Facebook shows you post to the right buyers. Mobile phones. Condition, new or used like new, fair, etc. Description, be honest and clear. Motion any flaws. Words include pickups, delivery of information. Location, and add your city or neighborhood, not your full address. Double check everything, then click next and choose if you want to list it in local buy and sell groups for extra exposure. I recommend it. Finally, hit publish. Once listed, you will start getting messages. Here's how to handle them. Be quick to reply. Fast responders get more sales. Answer questions politely and honestly. Agree on payment and pick up drop off items. Terms. You can mark the item pending or sold to manage offers. Avoid scams. Don't ship unless you are sure of the buyer. Here are some quick tips to sell faster. Use keywords. Use keywords in your title and description. Share your listing in local groups. Keep pricing realistic. Check what similar items are going for. Renew your post every few days to stay visible. Good photos equal to more clicks equal to more sales. And that's how easy it is. So, and that's how easy it is to list products on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you are decluttering, decluttering or starting, whether you are decluttering or starting a side hustle, it's a powerful tool. it- it's a powerful tool to make quick cash. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more online selling tips, and let me know in the comments what you are selling first. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.